Okay. So coach, maraming speculations ng lumalabas, no? After you miss one game, sabi mo nga sa press release bakasyon. But now coming from you, ano ba talaga naging situation? How come that you missed the one game and hindi ka nakapag-coach?
Well, yung context kasi yun, Dense, siyempre, you have to also to know where I'm coming from, no? I came from the company at lagi yan sa kumpanya, lagi namin yan ang usapan namin if you feel na there is something that you should do para ma-accomplish yung goal. It's not important kung ano yung role mo but you have to do something about it. And I feel nung natalo kami ng 4 na sunod na baka pwedeng magkaroon kami ng changes. Kasi iba yung sitwasyon ko sa ibang coaches. Yung ibang coaches kasi, they are all under contract. So regardless kung 8 straight losses ka, 10 straight losses, you're forced to be there. Ako naman iba. Iba naman ang sitwasyon ko. Ang sitwasyon ko naman siyempre is nasa management ako ng Airfreight 2100. And I really would want to experience na kung ano yung kailangan namin gawin, I have to do it. If even that would mean na I have to step down, I have to step down. No? But after that, napag-usapan naman namin, I volunteered siyempre sa management. I have to make it clear na hindi sila kasama sa decision na to. But they have to approve it. Kailangan i-approve nila. So, I think na nakikita nila yung importance na sige, sinabi ni coach na ganito, baka magkakaroon ng epekto naman, no. So ang sabi ko lang naman sila, 1 game, no. Nanalo kami nung game na yon. Siyempre ang dami nagsasabi na nanalo na wala si Coach Boy. Siyempre parang in bad light napupunta sa akin, which I think okay lang rin sa akin yun, 'di ba? If ever there would come a time na talagang the team would feel na I am not effective anymore, then 100% I'm really willing to step down. Kaso siguro the management feels na hindi naman yun ang sitwasyon. So I was really ready na even on Friday and for the next coming games ng Air 21, hindi ako uupo kasi panalo na kami. But they have decided na, coach, nangyari na yun, nanalo na naman tayo ulit. Baka magiging maganda ng itong starting point again para mag-coach ka na ulit. And they have given me again the confidence and the trust para i-lead yung team.
You were quoted as saying, coach, na one of the reasons is because hindi nag-respond yung mga players mo sa'yo. Ano to? Wala naman sigurong misunderstanding. Parang naging lack siguro yung mga players.
When I say hindi sila nagre-respond in a way na gusto ko. Hindi yung response na let's say for example, nagagalit ako hindi yun yung ibig sabihin. Ang ibig sabihin noon, there are some things na gusto ko ma-implement with siyempre yung gusto rin ng management na siguro dahil nga medyo nagiging natural na sa kanila yung medyo mapait ako sa kanila, ganun siguro. Minsan dahil sa hirap nung gusto kong pagawin, lalo na yung mga full court presses namin, to take a lot of effort from them, hindi naman sa hindi nagre-respond, pero hindi nila nagagawa yung gusto ko talagang naandun kasi again effort ang kailangan doon.
Your next game against Magnolia, does it mean balik ka na ulit?
Oo, ibig sabihin na nandun ako sa helm again ng team and I would be coaching on Friday.
How were you welcome pagbalik mo ng practice?
Parang wala namang nangyari sa kanila, gano'n naman sila. And of course, nung if I would feel na hindi ako welcome sa kanila, then I would force myself. Pero everybody let me feel na we need you, coach. Kailangan ka namin dito. So, ang usapan naman namin is mutual.
How crucial is this game for you, coach? Babalik ka after 1 game ay 2. Nandiyan pa yung bagong player. Si Gary Davis natin hindi maglalaro no? Si Gary Davis?
Hindi pa.
And how crucial is this for you?
Well, napaka-critical nito kasi regardless kung nasaan ang aming posisyon in the end of the elimination, regardless kung nasa wild card o nasa quarterfinals, yung standing namin is very critical, yung win-loss rate namin kasi carry over yun eh. So kung makikipagbakbakan kami dun sa wild card, importante na ang aming win-loss rate ay mataas para hindi naman kailangan i-sweep namin sila yung wild card phase na yun para umangat kami sa quarters ulit.
May changes sa lineup mo kasi I saw maraming sa mga research mo parang active sa mga plays niyo kanina.
Wala naman. Ang nasa amin lang na nandyan kasi si bago naman si Gabby Espina, si Mark Magsumbol. Wala talagang mga marquee na pagbabago. Nasa lineup yan si Mark Magsumbol.
In general, Coach, you're coming off a conference, actually last season, na impressive yung performance niyo. Yung way above expectations of mga critics. Expected na parang makikerry over niya pagdating ng season. You lost 4 straight games. Anything different? Ano naging problem as compared to last season? Kasi wala na akong masyadong changes sa lineup.
Palagi ko, ang isa sa mga critical doon na nangyari, una, siyempre, yung rebounds na nawala dahil kay Mark Telan. No? Kasi nakakatakbo kami kasi kung nandun yung rebounding. Pero palagi ko, hindi rin naman naging factor kasi yung rebounding namin mataas pa rin naman. No? Nung last conference, yung kulang namin na spot, which is yung sentro, napuno niya ng aming sentro na si Sean. Kahit maliit siya, pero talagang yung position na yun para sa kanya. So, maliit man kami, kompleto yung lineup namin nung last conference na yun. No, meron kaming legitimate na center kay Sean Daniels na import, plus yung mga shooters namin nandyan. Isa ngayon kasi, ang amin na talagang kinakatakutan na poste na lang, siyempre, si Ranidel, Di Ocampo. Plus yung iba namin are role players really. So, doon talaga kami nagkakaroon ng kulang sa posisyon na yun.
Last kung si Gabby.
Si Gabby could play yung 4 at saka 3 position, pero mostly hindi pa rin siya pang sentro eh. Hindi pa rin siya pang sentro talaga. Maliit pa for the center. Pero siyempre yung athleticism niya would compensate doon sa height niya.
Okay. Message, Coach, sa Sports Radio ito naririnig and sa website natin na papanood kayo. Ano mensahe mo ngayon sa Air 21 fans na in a way nag-alala rin after what happened? Medyo na-intriga sila nung the way na nawala ka for 1 day.
Well, sa lahat ng mga nakikinig sa Sports Radio at saka sa website na to, huwag kayong mag-aalala kasi babalik na rin ako, and you always have to bear in mind na yung coaching is a leadership position, no? If you're not effective anymore, then you should know when to step down, no? It may not be about you, it may be from some other factors, but the point is, if you're the leader, then you will be accountable for that.